Snapdeal gave me a host of opportunities to prove myself, to ideate, innovate, and make direct business impact.
Hi, I'm Vipasha Bharadwaj from Management Development Institute, Gurgaon. When I was recruited to Snapdeal, I was ecstatic because I love shopping and Snapdeal facilitates just that. When I started work with Snapdeal, I realized that marketing is not only about faff and jargon. There's a lot of hard work and research that goes on in the background.
However, after coming here, it's been fun, creative, decisions are made in seconds over here. And to my surprise, the teams are very well structured and the responsibilities beautifully aligned.
The coolest thing by far at Snapdeal is the age diversity. On one hand, you have young people coming up with extremely good ideas every day. And on the other hand, you have the experienced lot who take care of the implementation of those ideas.
Hi, my name is Parneet Singh and I'm from Management Development Institute, Gurgaon. So talking about the culture at Snapdeal, the culture here is something that I find pretty awesome because it's a really open culture and there's a lot of collaboration that goes around in your work. I mean, if I have to get something done, it's not that I'm sitting in the corner of the hall and doing my work. It's something that I have to be out and about and speaking to people and understanding their viewpoints and getting work done. Also that I can approach anyone I want to in the whole flow of the HR. I mean, I can go and speak to the VP if I wanted to, and there are no bars, no restrictions on that.
One word which sums up my entire experience here is amazing. So the kind of autonomy and ownership that I got on the project really kept me going forward. I mean, even as an intern, I got the full authority to decide the trajectory of my project and the way ahead.
I'm thankful that you guys spent a very valuable summer with us and contributed immensely to our teams. And hopefully in the process learned something as well in terms of working at Snapdeal and how Snapdeal works, how an e-commerce company works. You know, good luck to you guys. I'm glad you took that decision.
Hello everyone, it's an absolute delight to be here at the graduation ceremony of our summer interns. This program has been running for the last 2 months. And I've gone through some of the reports and some of the work done by the interns out with us. And all I can say is some of the best work which has been done by the interns in the last 2 months. This particular day, the graduation ceremony, is a day to celebrate the success of each one of our interns for the absolutely awesome work which they've done across different functions and different verticals along with their respective managers.
As an organization, when we keep evolving, we keep growing, it's important for us to also get the kind of talent which can take us to those heights. It's important that we hire these talents from the best places. And some of these best talents come with a lot of prudence in mind. So it's important for us to go back to those places, to those universities, and create the kind of labor that we've invested with our talents, create a kind of mind space and mind share with them, that we invest in talents, and we only believe in attracting the best talents. Going forward, when we go next year again, or rather this year for the next year, we will try to get the best of the talents again. Hopefully, more rigorous program will be designed for them.
लेके आए थे आँखों में सपने हजार, पता नहीं था हमको तो क्या है उस पार।